plugs, whatever, you know, whatever.
Break.
Yeah, service parts. So you outline it in the contract and you give it to them. Don't bear in mind, you know, make them drive your vehicle without them sign the contract.
You know that make a whole heap of sense. That make a whole heap of sense, I have. They know me that have this thing more control over it. Hey, now you see why me have to always appreciate you and appreciate being around you because you bring so much more mind stimulation. It's mind boggling.
Boy, you have some words in your mouth, you see? Mind boggling. Anyway, I'm going to draft up a contract for you and take it to my lawyer, make him look on it. And don't be afraid to get rid of them boy there where I get a problem. And get some new people where willing to sign the contract. If they don't want to sign it before them start work, twirl with them.
You know that? That's my problem, you know. Me I treat some of them driver you like me I try hold on upon them and I try. And just because some of them really know the route them, you know. You see me?
George, taxi driver is a dime a dozen. Put out an advertisement out there now and say you want 4 driver and see if you can see 400 of them turn up.
You know what? I know what I'm gonna do. As a matter of fact, starting this evening, I'm just gonna take my vehicle and some of them I need to get rid of and just put out a ad in the paper. You understand? And recruit a fresh set.
No, you sound like a real businessman. And you're supposed to know better than anybody else say. You have to protect your own. Nobody not do it for you. George. George.
Oh God.
There's something women are telling about me. I'm gonna pay keen attention to the people I'm gonna care about. I'm not saying I have problems with your taxi driver, them, you know, but you have other problems that you're not talking about. And I eat them on your mind the most now.
Carlton, get rid of her. She was the minister, secretary. Who for secretary?
You know them say, and everything good for eat, good for talk. And I don't want you to get it twisted in it. It's not like I keep secrets from you. But there's some things where you have to kind of just figure out the right time and place to hear it.
Alright, I can respect that. But nobody wait till you come over phone, then you decide to come talk to me. And not too long you say, and everything good for you, good for talk, but everything good for eat. You hungry?
Honestly, I could have eat a shark. You know you're real special though. Yo. Well there. Jono? No? Ah, no, it's a 40. Me a circle like a pan turtle.
I would have call away from the food.
Oh, where you pretty little head, man. You know the food always a got there. But little Jen and them from over 13 and 14, so them they at the bar. Them come for give you a support. So I think it's only fair. We go play a host. How myself?
That not sound bad, because I do well with that drink too.
Alright. Jano, I love how that shot say fit in, you know. Look like me have to go help you take it off like a more.
That can be arranged.
Oh.